Entrepreneur Eddie Manis is filling a local need for face masks by utilizing his alterations know-how and staff at his dry cleaning business in Knoxville, Tennessee. 2 6-inch by 9-inch pieces of cotton are cut, then heavy-duty twist ties are sewn into the top of one piece of fabric to create a nose piece. Elastic is sewn onto each end to create earpieces before laying the 2 pieces of fabric together and sewing on 3 sides. The mask is then turned right side out and pleats are added and pressed. Finally, a 4-inch by 5-inch piece of filter material is tucked into the opening.
I think that we should all look for a way to try to help and to slow down the spread of the coronavirus. And so our goal is to try to do everything we can do to protect them.